If you have ever accidentally deleted photographs or videos from your SD card, then stop worrying, because you can now easily recover the deleted data in a matter of a few minutes with the help of the Recuva application. 1. Recuva. www.piriform.com. Recuva is a free file recovery software that allows you to recover deleted files from your computer, digital camera, mobile phone or USB pen drive. Whenever you delete a file, while it may not be visible anymore, it still remains on your device until a new file overwrites it. During that time, it is possible for you to use a data recovery tool like Recuva to recover your deleted file. The important thing to remember is that to increase your chances of being able to recover the deleted file, you should avoid using your device and run the Recuva software as soon as possible. 2. As soon as you launch the Recuva application, the Recuva wizard starts and helps you through all the steps of recovering your deleted files. The first step is to choose the type of files you are trying to recover and then click on the next button. 3. Next, you need to choose the location where you would like to recover the deleted files. You can choose a location either on your computer or on an external media card or iPod and click on the next button to continue. If you want to recover photographs from your SD card, then make sure it is connected to your computer before you proceed. 4. Click on the Start button to begin searching for your deleted files in the specified location. If required, you can also choose to run the deep scan, which is a more comprehensive scan and can sometimes recover files that the regular scan might miss. 5. Within a few minutes, Recuva will display all the deleted files that it has found in your device and give you a chance to recover the files that you want to delete. 6. Select the file that you wish to recover and click on the recovery button, and within a few seconds, Recuva will work its magic and recover the file for you.